Welcome back. Day 34. The Warrior's Alignment. The universal intelligence that guides a calm, aware human. Every human is connected to something greater, life itself, universal intelligence, cosmic order, deep intuition, destiny, synchronicity, invisible guidance. But chaotic minds cannot feel it. Fearful hearts cannot hear it. Reactive humans cannot follow it. Only a calm warrior can sense it. This connection is called alignment. When your inner world matches the universal flow around you. Alignment is not luck. Alignment is not spirituality. Alignment is not belief. Alignment is inner order meeting outer order. 1. What is alignment? AME.X definition. Alignment is when the following are synchronized: your thoughts, your emotions, your actions, your intuition, your frequency, your presence, your direction, your identity, all moving with the flow of the universe. When you are aligned, life becomes smoother, opportunities appear, timing becomes perfect, your intuition becomes sharp, you attract the right people, decisions become effortless, stress disappears, everything clicks, you feel guided. This is alignment. 2. Why most humans are misaligned? Because they live from ego, fear, confusion, noise, emotional storms, trauma, pressure, insecurity, comparison, overthinking. When the inner world is chaotic, the outer world seems confusing. Alignment requires inner clarity. 3. The four pillars of universal alignment. New AME Docs X model. 1. Inner truth. Acting from authenticity. 2. Inner peace. Not fighting reality. 3. Inner direction. Knowing where you are going. 4. Inner presence. Living fully here, fully now. These pillars connect you to the larger intelligence of life. 4. How to recognize alignment. Signs you are aligned. You feel light. You feel guided. Coincidence becomes normal. Things fall into place. Problems resolve easily. People appear at the right time. Clarity rises without effort. Inspiration flows. Your heart feels at ease. Your action feels right. Life feels meaningful. Alignment feels like yes. 5. How to recognize misalignment. Signs you are misaligned. Everything feels heavy. Nothing flows. Confusion dominates. Fear blocks you. People drain you. You repeat patterns. You feel disconnected. Decisions feel forced. Life feels uphill. Inner resistance is high. Misaligned feels like big no. 6. The warrior's alignment ritual. 10 seconds to instantly reconnect with the universal intelligence. 1. Breath slowly. 2. Drop into inner zero. 3. Place hand on your heart. 4. Ask silently, what is life showing me right now? Ask. 5. What feels aligned? 6. Follow the soft inner pull, not the loud inner fear. Alignment always feels quiet. Ego always feels loud. 7. Alignment is the final evolution of the calm warrior. A warrior with silent mind, strong heart, clear presence, steady frequency, unbreakable identity, universal alignment becomes unstoppable. They do not only move with discipline, they move with destiny. They do not only walk with intention, they walk with guidance. They not only create flow, they create miracles. This is the highest human state. This is enlightenment through action. 8. The warrior's alignment mantra. Repeat softly. I align with truth. I align with peace. I align with presence. I align with the universe. I trust the path. I follow the flow. I move with destiny. This mantra completes the calm warrior identity. Thank you, brothers and sisters.
If this resonated, you already know what to do. You already know what to do.